How to change WhatsApp font in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change WhatsApp font in iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So let us see WhatsApp and the font that it is in. So there you can see, this is the current font. Now if you want to change this, just go to your settings first. And after you're on settings, let me go back to the initial page, and after you're on settings, scroll down till you find accessibility. Tap on accessibility, and after you tap on accessibility, you will need to scroll down. After you scroll down, you'll find an option that says per app settings on the bottom. Tap on per app settings and then tap on add apps. After you tap on add app, you'll need to search for WhatsApp, so you can just search for it. There we go. And after you search for WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp. After you do that, you will see different options here. Now all you need to do to change the font is select these options. Now you can turn on bold text, you can turn on larger text if you want to. You can see, you can change the text, and you will also get different options here. You can increase contrast and other stuff. So that is a way that you can change WhatsApp font in your iPhone. And yeah, let's go and check it out. So there we go. And that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.